Chord spacing between 1 and 2 is A, between 2 and 3 is B, and between 3 and 4 is C. A, B, C. Okay, this knot is called the Lind-Z knot. It's dedicated to Lindsey Brock from Saito Garcia. Fantastic knot. It's not as easy. It's, I would say, intermediate level, but let's do it. All right, so for this knot, our red cord is going to be the accent, and the black and red is going to be our weaving cord. So let's start. We're gonna grab our right cord, and we're just putting it down A and coming out through C. All right, so we go with our right cord under and out through A. We're gonna go with our left cord underneath the right cord, under and out through C. So it's gonna look like that. Then we're gonna grab our weaving cord, right cord, we're gonna go down B, under and out through the loop on the right. And then we're gonna grab our left weaving cord, we're gonna go down B and out through the loop on the left. Okay, and then we're gonna tighten up. And let's push it up. Now remember, the first knot never looks great. It's the next one. All right, so let's continue. Okay, now we're gonna grab our weaving knot, and remember to keep your accent cord above the weaving knot. So we're gonna do a half hitch on each side. So we're gonna go under and out through B, and then we'll tighten up. Under with our left side, out through B. And by the way, this morning, Lindsay and I were talking. Wonderful person. So, Lindsay, this is for you. All right, so now we grab our accent cord, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do a half hitch on the right, coming out through B. And a half hitch on the left, coming out through B again. All right, so that's the first part of our knot. Okay, so let's keep going. Now we're gonna grab our accent cord, and once again, we're gonna go underneath and out through A with the right cord. The left cord below the right cord is gonna go underneath and out through C. Then we grab our weaving cord again. We're gonna go over, down through B, and out through the loop on the right. We're gonna grab our left weaving cord, down through B, and out through the loop on the left. And then we're gonna tighten up. Okay, and don't mind the noise in the background. They're still recovering from the hurricane. Okay, so we're gonna throw our accent cord above our weaving cord. And once again, we're gonna do our half hitch. Gonna come with our right cord underneath, out through B, and through the loop, like this. Grab our left cord, go underneath, out through B, and through the loop on the left. All right, we spread our weaving cord, push it up, and once again with our accent cord, we're going to do another half hitch. Come underneath and out through B. That's with our right cord. And now with our left cord, we're going to go underneath, out through B, and through the loop on the left. Okay, let's do one more. All right, so we grab our accent cord, our right one, we go underneath and out through A. And remember, it's going to be above the one on the left. We grabbed our left accent cord, we go underneath and out through C. Okay, now we grab our weaving cord again, we go down through B and out through the loop on the right. Like that. We're gonna grab our left weaving cord, we're gonna go down through B and out through the loop on the left. It's gonna look like that. And then we tighten up. Lynn and I were talking last night, and we both like tightening up way too much the cords. All right, so now we're gonna do our half hitches. So remember, the accent cord goes above the weaving cord, and we grab our right cord, we come out through B and through the loop on the right. Tighten it up pretty good. Grab our left cord, we come out through B and through the loop on the left. All right, now we do our half hitch with our accent cord. So we under, out through B again, and through the loop on the right. Grab our left accent cord, we go under, out through B, and through the loop on the left. And that's our knot. Take it to the end, have fun.